Some monuments stand not just as remnants of history, but as the heart of a living culture. The royal tombs of Kasubi, resting on a sacred hill in Uganda, were more than burial sites. They were the spiritual core of the Buganda Kingdom, a place where the past and present intertwined. For over a century, these tombs housed the remains of Buganda's kings, known as Kabakas, their spirits believed to watch over the land. But fire, the great enemy of memory, came for them twice. Built in 1882, the Kasubi Tombs were a masterpiece of traditional Ganda architecture, constructed from organic materials, wood, reeds, and a thatched roof that stretched across the massive Muzibu Azala Mpanga, the main mausoleum. The site was more than a royal cemetery. It was a sacred shrine where rituals were performed, oral histories passed down, and the lineage of Buganda's rulers honored. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it stood as a testament to a kingdom's endurance. But history does not burn easily, until it does. On March 16, 2010, flames erupted in the tombs, consuming the great thatched structure within minutes. By the time the fire was extinguished, the heart of the site lay in ruins. The cause? Unknown. Some suspected arson, others a tragic accident. What remained undeniable was the depth of the loss. The destruction of Kasubi was not just about the loss of a structure, it was an attack on identity, a wound in the soul of the Buganda people. Reconstruction efforts began almost immediately, led by local artisans and UNESCO-backed projects. Using traditional building techniques, they worked to restore the tombs, ensuring that their sacred essence remained untouched. But before the scars of the first fire could fully heal, another tragedy struck. In July 2020, fire returned, tearing through the site once more. Again, questions swirled. Was this another accident, a deliberate act? No answers came, only ashes. Now, the future of the Kasubi tombs hangs in uncertainty. Efforts to rebuild continue. But the question remains, can a structure so tied to history, burned twice, still hold the same spirit? Or have the flames taken more than just wood and thatch? Have they taken something intangible, something that no reconstruction can ever restore? For the Buganda people, the tombs are more than a monument. They are a connection to their ancestors, their kings, and their traditions. Whether Kasubi rises once more or remains a scar in Uganda's history, its story is a reminder that heritage, no matter how sacred, is never truly safe from the passage of time or the threat of fire.